Today I'm speaking with Carl Dixon, the founder of Wemas, a company formed to change the off-site module industry and as a disruptor. I asked him what motivated him as a British citizen dedicating 2 decades from within China to develop what he describes as a horizontal to market. Carl, what is a horizontal to market and why China?
China, I was invited back in 2005 to lecture on lean manufacturing OS technologies, decided to stay. The emergence of horizontal was actually conceived while I was involved in restructuring an OS modular company in the UK at the time. I thought this should be the next generation of housing stock, but as a reactive solution, project back to product, through a vertical process of redesign and engineering, pre-manufacture, and the back-end installation, I thought hardly a commercially viable solution. The China market, which was virtually a blank sheet as to OS modular, certainly back in 2005, with no integrated or related supporting services, the motivation to redefine the market, even with the knowledge that it would exceed the adoption for some time to come, created a sense of purpose. The horizontal route allows manufacturers to focus on manufacture and provide a range of professional entities to re-engage on favourable commercial terms, all embraced in providing high-value, high-performance building stock relative to the market sector it serves.
All right. What are the advantages of horizontal routes?
Well, in addition to redefining the core roles that best serve the market, the cost of entry for a new breed of manufacturers more adaptive to rapid response with greater diversity in product offering, as there is no longer restrictions in regional distribution. The horizontal route provides the globalization of engineered manufactured building solutions, with cross-border collaborations not possible under vertical modular or traditional construction methods. The most noticeable attribute is in the cost competitiveness of providing contributors high returns and end users greater value.
As I know, Wemas is currently focusing on the ASEAN market. Can I ask why?
ASEAN is a more recent focus, but not in isolation. In China, we're working on solutions for rural markets in terms of microeconomics. In the USA, VMAS looked to support regeneration initiatives and advanced product solutions such as mixed on-off-grid housing stock. All form part of the same end goal, which is the expansion of the OS market and facilitate a platform for better housing stock at every level of attainment, whether it be social housing or high-end technology living experience. The ASEAN market is intriguing because of the fluidity of the horizontal route in marketing, allowing a variable cross-border trade of components, funding and education, and the strengthening of both micro and macroeconomic drivers. It will be interesting to see how the ASEAN nations work independently and collaboratively as to the adoption of EMBS.
This is a lot of data, but I think I understand the value. Next time, I will be asking Carl, how does a horizontal approach to manufactured housing stack impact economic growth?